Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the meal management within the GoodX Web App. Meal management encompasses the organization and oversight of meal choices available to patients throughout their hospital stay. This facility can create and personalize menu options to accommodate a wide range of dietary requirements and preferences. In this video, we will start on a meal management screen. We will now examine the contents of the screen and explain them accordingly. Click on a new meal button to add more meal menu items in the meal management screen. For more information regarding adding a new meal, please refer to Add a New Meal user manual linked in this video's description. The meal name column refers to the name that identifies the meal. The start time column refers to the date and time when the meal service is set to start. The end time column refers to the date and time when the meal service is set to end. The Choose by Time Minutes column will display the cut-off time for meal orders, showing the numbers of minutes remaining before the meal is served and ordering becomes unavailable. The Choice column will show the meal options that are available within a specific meal time. Please note that it is essential to create a distinct menu for each meal or tea time every day, as the cutoff for each menu option is dictated by the start time and Choose by Time minutes. Click on a created meal template. You will notice that two more buttons have appeared in the meal menu section. The Edit Meal button will allow you to edit and update information within a selected meal template. Click on the Edit Meal button if you would like to open the Edit Meal screen and make changes to the selected meal. Click on a Delete button to remove the meal menu item that is no longer in use. Kindly exercise caution when doing this, as the meal menu item will be permanently deleted without prior notice, and there is no way to recover it once deleted.